Good morning everyone. I'm your host today and today I am going to be showing you how you can make money with a 3D printer. 3D printing is a revolutionary technology that allows people to literally print anything they can imagine. From complex designs to simple everyday trinkets, it has been adopted by the maker community as the gift that keeps on giving. Now, if you are someone who has been thinking about investing in a 3D printer, this video is for you. I'm going to be taking you through some tips and tricks to get you on your way to making a profit off 3D printing. First and foremost, it is important to understand the materials and software used in 3D printing. With the right combination of materials and software, you can create highly complex 3D objects that have tremendous potential to make you money. From here, it's time to start thinking of ideas. This is where your creative juices should start to flow. Think of the type of designs you would like to make with your 3D printer and the potential applications that others may find use for. Once you have your idea, the next step is to find out what the market is like for that product. Do research into the type of things people are buying and if there is any potential for you to bring something new to the table that could benefit your customers. From here, it's time to start creating your product. This is where the 3D printer comes into play and you can begin to turn your digital designs into physical ones. Once you have your prototypes ready to go, you want to make sure to get feedback on how it can be improved, if at all. The final step to making money with a 3D printer is the most important one: marketing. You want to make sure to use your social media presence and any other outlets you have to let people know about your product and its potential. With all of these steps in place, you should be well on your way to making money with a 3D printer. Thanks for tuning in and I hope this was helpful to you. See you soon.